Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. Last day here on the MotoGP trip with the boys. Just picked up some Torchy's tacos, filled up on some breakfast tacos before we head out to the track. They don't have the best food out there. Everything's fried and stuff like that, which doesn't really work well with my stomach. But we're going to take a little scenic detour, and then we are going to meet up with our normal crew from Dallas that came down and go on a little group ride to the track. So last day, go watch the Grand Prix, and then load the bikes up on the trailer, head back to Dallas. We're not going to get back there till about 8 o'clock tonight, so it's going to be a long day. Everybody's excited. Hell yeah. Much better weather today as well. Yesterday was muggy as hell, super humid, and probably like 85, 90 degrees, but felt a lot hotter than that. What the hell? I guess everybody predicted the green light. That was strange. There's literally a vlog that I did back in Dallas where this guy was stopped at a green light just chilling, and then he just blows right through a red light down here. I don't get it. Oh yeah. 3 dudes on bikes and 3 dudes on bikes. Clear? The plan is to rip through downtown Austin one more time, hit kind of a little scenic route, and then, like I said, off to the location where they're doing the bikes and coffee this morning. Yeah, it's only about 60 degrees. It's almost chilly. Feels nice though. Big relief from the humidity and heat from yesterday. There it is, Austin City skyline. Probably one last time here. Riverside Drive, that's our exit. Oh no. I think this is the street that he wanted to take us on. He said there wasn't going to be any traffic. Oh well, that's MotoGP weekend for you. And like I said, it seems to me that there's tons of events going on around here right now. Looks like somebody's doing like some sort of marathon run out here. We've seen huge groups of cyclists every single day. Concerts going on. MotoGP, obviously. Hand-built motorcycle show, which we went to yesterday. If you guys didn't see that video, hop over to the channel and check that one out. Brandon is something else sometimes. Police officer back there, he just rips a wheelie. More bikes. Good to see, good to see. KTM back there. Yeah, caught up to these dudes a little bit. What the hell's he doing? Something happened to the bike? Oh, this is where the bikes and coffee meet is. I gotcha. Here we go. They should have had you organize it, because you actually know the shit. Dude, this is the same Repsol that was out there. You said we know that guy?
No, we just, I think we talked to him yesterday.
These Repsol bikes are sick. There's Chris on the Aprilia, Sarge on the Ducati. These guys will be riding over to the track with us later. And then maybe a couple of these guys. A lot of these guys just came up for the hand-built auto show though, so. Anyways, we made it. Bikes and coffee, Austin. I'm going to shut it down now. We'll fire it back up when we ride over to the track.